good job, you guys. You are such a big sister, Greta. Slow down. Don't go on the patio. Turn around. Turn around, Greta. Go back. She said, I don't want to go out there. Come over in this room. Oh, no, 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 no. Stay in this room, Greta. Come over by me. She can't walk over that step, so turn around. There you go. Stand up, Marv. Yay! Look at you. You help her, Greta? Look at her walking with her big sister. Good job.